Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm looking at the pound dollar. Got it open on the 4-hour chart. The daily chart, I should say. We can see that this has been fairly bearish. It's quite a strong drive movement south. We do have this low here, and I'm wondering whether this is going to be reaching for liquidity under this previous low. Remains to be seen. But what I'm looking for is a day trade, possibly intraday, given that it's Monday. So let's see if we can find something for the rest of the week. So, okay, this is spiking up here. On the 4-hour chart, we've got this break of structure, well, here, bearish. You know, I would be inclined to mark that up and call that, or at least call that my sell zone. So definitely looking for a short opportunity. I don't want to jump in at the current level. And we know that this can be fairly volatile. So I'm going to call this my sell zone. And by the way, if you haven't already, guys, click the links below. Check out my website and see what I've got on offer. There's also a free Telegram group that you're welcome to join. That's the setup, and I think I'm going to go for, if that is my sell zone, stop loss, yeah, go for broke with your risk reward. But what I tend to do is, and I'll show you this, trend-based fib extension, I've changed it. You'll be able to take a screenshot if you want. So I've got 0, -1, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, blah, blah. And I've also got 0.8. I've set this up as my risk reward tool. And I'm looking at stop loss above it. I'm looking at this level here for a TP1, something like that, on the 4-hour time frame, stop loss. So I would be inclined to set up sell limit orders through this range myself. And I'll work out my overall risk. Let's say 0.6%. So then I might look at setting up, say, 0.2% there. Hang on, let me just grab this tool, is it? Nope, not that one. Nope, stay in drawing mode. Okay. I would 0.2%, and then I tend to kind of throw another one in here. That's 246, maybe a couple, something like that. So I'm allowing 0.6% of my account, one open position here, or limit sell, and then sell limits up here as well, something like that. TP1 down here, and I'm inclined to pull my stop loss down so that it's in the money once TP1 is reached, and then just let it run. And I mean, if you did that up here, for example, well, way back up here, I mean, you can see even here, I mean, look at the outcome. So I always like to leave a little bit in, let it run, and just trail it until we see a break of structure. So guys, that's my take on the pound dollar. Again, click the links below, join Telegram, check out my website. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.